I'm standing in front of this amazing building called the Writers' Museum, right in the centre of Edinburgh. And the reason I'm standing here is because in this beautiful close, or sometimes they're known as wynds in Edinburgh, there is so much literary history. The energy literally pulsates here. So often when you are wanting to write, thinking about writing, all the nonsense gets stuck in your head. And whilst Sarah Bullen and I believe you can write your book in 100 days, you have to believe it in your heart and soul. So I'm running a one-day workshop called Slay Your Creative Demons, so that you can unleash your writing creativity once more. The biggest challenge is that you have to get out of your own way. You have to believe what's inside you, the words and the stories and the ideas that can come out. And on the one hand, sometimes it's simply about technical support, structure, sitting down and writing. But on the other hand, it's also processing all that nonsense that's inside us. I had to do that just last week, and I went to the top of Arthur's Seat, the beautiful, big, I want to call it a mountain, that sort of majestically overlays Edinburgh. And I had to go and do a big ass process to get out of my own way. So sometimes the things that are stopping you writing are your past, or your experiences, or what another writing coach said, or a peer, or just your mother or father or granny or grandpa or someone in the office. And you need to find practical tools and tips and ideas and ways that you can get out of your way and get back to your writing. That's what I'm brilliant at. I am a coach. I have been for 18 years. I'm a mentor. I have written 5 books. I'm looking at people thinking I'm a little odd making this video. And we need to use practical ways to shift what's in your space. Shift the stuck energy, shift all the nonsense that you're telling yourself about why you can or can't write your book or that blog or an article. And so this one-day workshop also includes joining me afterwards for tea or coffee or a glass of wine, probably, at Nicholson's Cafe, which is where famously J.K. Rowling, her brother-in-law, owned Nicholson's, and that's where she penned a lot of the Harry Potter series. So come and be inspired in Edinburgh, and let me help you unlock your creative muse. Because you know what? When you show up for your muse will show up for you. So come and let's slay those demons or those dragons or those crocodiles, whatever you want to call them. I just feel sorry for the animals. Let's call them demons. And let's find that creative spirit that's inside of you so that you can crack on with your writing. I'll see you in Edinburgh. Will I?